this is Sierra Vista Junior High School here. Our very first Chapter 1 review. We're very excited to be here with everybody on YouTube community.
Yeah.
Let's welcome, coming all the way from Florida, Loco Ninja. All right, Loco Ninja. So, okay, number 1, help us out here, please.
Okay, so it says to write a numerical expression for each verbal phrase.
Yes.
The statement was the number of students in 5 classrooms if there are 32 students in each classroom. For the expression, I wrote 32 times 5.
Okay, what if she wrote 5 times 32? Is that still correct?
Yes.
Because of what property? Community. You guys are good. All right, let's give her a hand. All right, coming all the way to you from outer space is Apple. Let's hear it for Apple. The apple doesn't fall far from outer. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, number 5, help us out, please.
The question is...
I'll read it. 14 minus bracket, parentheses, 11 minus 3 parentheses, plus 6, bracket, divided by 2. And we have to be careful about? Well, order of operations, correct. All right, so what did you do first?
First you add 11, well not add, subtract 11 from 3 from 11.
Right, and you get?
8.
Okay, I'll put 8 up here.
Then you take 8 and add it to 6.
Yes.
And then you get
So that
14.
is
13.
14. Good. So let me rewrite the problem. 14 minus 14 divided by 2. Now this is a part that most students would make an error on because the order of operations. So you have to do what?
Divide.
Divide first. Very good. Everyone say divide first.
Divide first!
14 minus
7.
7. So the final answer is?
7.
7. Alright, let's hear it for Apple. Alright. Okay, coming up next, coming all the way from Hawaii is Pineapple. Okay, Pineapple. I should say Miss Pineapple. Alright, number 6, help us out here.
The question I had was...
Number 6, right?
Yeah.
So 3 times the quantity, 15 minus 5, over, all over, 32 minus 26. What do we do first?
Parentheses.
Correct.
So 15 minus 5 is 10.
10, okay.
Then you multiply that by 3.
Right.
Which equals 30.
30 over.
Then 32 minus 26 equals 6.
Awesome.
Which evaluated equals 5.
Equals 5. Do we agree?
Yeah.
Excellent job, Miss Pineapple! Now we're not going far away from Pineapple because I got a tomato coming up here. Came all the way from Tomato World. All right, let's hear it for Tomato. All right, Mr. Tomato. Number 8.
So it says define a variable and then translate it into an algebraic expression.
Okay.
Number 8 is money paid for renting a boat at $80 per day.
Yes, sir.
So the variable would be day, so D, and then 80 times D.
Okay, so the word you want to use, everyone, is let. So we're going to say let D equal
D equal day.
number of days.
Yeah.
Number of days. And then we're going to define also, let's see. Oh, that's all we need because we're not actually making an equation. We're just making an expression. Okay, what did you get for your answer?
80 times D, which is just 80.
Right, 80 times D or 80D. All right, let's hear it from Mr. Tomato. All right, coming all the way from your neighborhood taco stand is Paco Taco. Okay, Paco Taco, let's hear it.
So, problem number 9 is $20 less than the cost of a bike. Let C be the cost of a bike.
Excellent. So let C equal the cost of a bicicleta. One of those things. All right. Thank you. And what? She's not done yet. But we appreciate your enthusiasm, sir. All right. What's our expression?
So, since the bike should be more than $20, you do C minus 20.
C minus 20. What if she put 20 minus C? Then it's not correct. Why? Who can tell me why with math knowledge here? Jackson.
Subtraction, like, for an example, 5 minus 3, that would equal 2, but 3 minus 5, it would equal negative 2.
What you're saying is correct, but I want you to say it a little more mathy. Easy.
It is because subtraction is not commutative.
That's right. The operation of subtraction is not
Commutative!
excellent. Let's hear it for Paco Taco. Gotta go back to the taco stand. Yes, ma'am. Okay, French fries is coming here. French fries is coming all the way from France.
Yeah!
All right. All right. Now we're going to substitute this, so I want you to read me with parentheses when we substitute the numbers. Okay? Go ahead, French fries.
So, if x equals 4, y equals 8, and z equals 6,
Right.
the problem is x, y, z plus 8 divided 2. We
Excellent.
would set this up by 4 times 8 times 6.
Okay. I want you to tell me the parentheses. Okay. So parentheses 4, and then
Times 8, parentheses 8,
times parentheses 8, and then
times parentheses 6.
plus
Plus
8 all over 2. Okay, we don't want to shortcut evaluating expressions, because when you do that, I see a lot of students make mistakes, like people that can't draw straight lines. Okay, go ahead.
After you've set up your problem, you'll then want to start off by doing 4 times 8, and then follow that. After you do that, you should end up with 32, and then do 32 multiplied by 6, which you should end up with 192. After that,
So let me rewrite the problem. Sorry. Okay.
After that, you'll add 192 to 8, and you'll get 200. After that, you're going to divide 200 by 2, and you should get 100.
Awesome blossom. Okay. Here for French fries. All right, coming up next is another fruit. One of our favorites, lemon. Yeah! Gotta love the lemon.
Hoi!
I do love lemonade myself. So, citrusy. Okay. All right. Help us out here, Mr. Lemon.
Okay. So first I would convert the z, y, and x to its regular form, which would be 5 times 6 minus 8 minus 4.
Minus parentheses 8 minus parentheses 4.
Yes.
Okay, you want to use parentheses when you're substituting. Okay, next.
Then you would multiply the numbers inside of the parentheses, which would be 8 minus 4.
Not multiply, but subtract.
I don't even know.
That's what you meant. Okay, so 8 minus 4 is 4, and then we can multiply 5 times 6.
And that would be 30.
30.
And then
Minus 4.
minus 4 is 26.
All right, do we agree?
Yeah!
Awesome. Limon did not give us lemons. He gave us lemonade. All right. Next, we have a special TV show coming to us from Texas. Scrubs. Scrubs. All right, Miss Scrubs. So, why did you choose Scrubs, by the way?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay. All right. Yes. Okay. What is the property shown in number 14?
We said it was additive identity because whenever you add 0 to a number or subtract 0 from a number, it will always equal the same number that you started with.
Excellent. So, additive identity. Now, I usually call this identity property of addition. It's the same thing. Would I mark both correct?
Yeah.
Yes, I would. All right, let's hear it for Scrubs. Now we're moving on from the fruits and TV shows. So we now have the turtles. The turtles. Came all the way from Turtle World. Sewers. All right. Okay, turtles. So number 16. What property is that?
Associative property of multiplication.
Okay, now he says this is associative property of multiplication. How can you tell?
Because they're in groups, and the groups change because it says 4 times 6, and it equals to 4. It still equals 6 times 3.
Good. Does the order stay the same on the left and right side of the equal sign for the numbers?
Yes.
Well,
No.
look at it.
Oh,
4, 6,
no.
3 on the left. Does it stay 4, 6, 3 on the right?
Yeah.
It does. Good. So you are correct. It's associative. I was just trying to make sure you knew it. Good job. So it's associative property of multiplication. Moving on. So number 20, we were problem solving those, and we found out that if we guess and check, we can finally get to the right answer. What were the answers for number 20? 431 and 433. Awesome blossom. What about number 21? 10, 12, and 14. You are correct. Very good, sir. Again, we have to define a variable for number 22. So we're going to say let h equal the number of hours that didn't come out too well. Shayna hired a babysitter. Babysitter. Everybody's got to write this down. It's your homework. All right, and then we're going to define. Since we need an equation, we need to also have something on the other side of the equation. So I'm going to let t equal total amount of what? Anybody?
Money.
Very good. Of money. Tyler. Why did I say Tyler? Because it's T's. Okay, Shayna pays the babysitter. And our equation is, anybody?
$11.50 times H equals T.
I just put 11.5 H equals T. Good. Or you could have done it the other way. T equals 11.5 H. Good job. All right, coming to us all the way from the side of the classroom is the Appleheads. All right, Appleheads. What is 23?
23 is what is the domain and range. Since all of x is domain and all of y is range, first you would do the domain. You put the weird bracket thing at first.
Weird bracket thing. What if I write a not weird bracket thing? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
And you have to put it in numerical order. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then
You don't
the
have
end.
to I'll write the commas, but you don't have to say them. Okay, how about range?
And then the range, you start that not weird bracket thing again.
Not weird, thank you. Actually, that one came out a little weird. Let me make it better. Yeah. Yeah, that's a little better.
And then put the all of y in numerical order. So it'll be 3, 6, 8, 10, 11, 14, and 15, and then end the not weird bracket.
Not weird, let me try. Yeah. Hey, it's not bad. Let's hear it for the